Hello and welcome back to Vicky's Crafts. I have a haul from Amazon and I wanted to show you my calendar book and my journal, how I designed it or decorated it this month. I did use the willow from Coco and Daisy to do all three. So I'm going to show you for the first time my little Hobonichi original. So for the month of March, I did use my Coco and Daisy rub-ons and then the tape there. So that's how that looks. And then for the first of the month, this is how I decorated. So I did love this willows from Coco and Daisy. I did use it up almost the whole thing. So that's my Hobonichi. And then this is my calendar book for March. And I think it came out so cute. I did use the stickers on this. The cardboard stickers that they have for this one. And then I did use the little circle numbers for the calendar. And then I used the washi tape up here for the month, and then I use my regular washi tapes for the rest. And then these are some rub-ons and some of the stickers I used there. This is a rub-on, this is a rub-on, all of this except the frog and the boat, and this frog is not a rub-on. So I did use the little sticker there for March, as you can see. And that's how that came out. And then each week is a different washi on the top, which I use for my stash. And then the ending, I did use the rub-ons again to decorate, and I think it came out so cute. I really like this willows from Coco and Daisy. So that's March for my calendar book. And then I have the journal. So the journal is here. I just wrote with my Arch and Olive pens that I did get. I think they're called the calligraphy, the calligraphs. These I have all different colors, and that's what I use for the making the calendar and the numbers, and then this, because they have the pointy one in the on one side and then the brush on that side, and that's what I used to do March, the brush, and then the rest was the pointy. So that's how I did that. I did use the stickers for this month, and then to decorate it I used the rub-ons again. All of these are rub-ons, and that's how my first page of the journal looks. Then I used the weekly stickers from last month, I believe February. So that looks, and then I used the stickers for the last page. So I think they came out so cute. I love it. It's going to encourage me to go in and journal, because if anything is plain, I notice that I won't go in it. So hopefully this will make me journal more often. So that is my project share from my calendar books, my 2 calendar books, and my journal. Now I'm going to show you my Amazon haul. I did pick up this wool ironing mat. It's 12 by 15, and you can wash it, but you have to wash it by hand wash. And it's a perfect press every time, and it's pretty thick. Pretty thick for that. Then I bought this to put the pins on my hand, because it's a little scrunchy little thing. So you put it on your hand like that, and you put the pins there. Because I have a habit of putting it in the table, and they get lost or they fall in the floor, and I have to pick it up. And it came with the one for the little ring. But this looks like it's so big. It's supposed to be a ring, but I think it takes 2 fingers. It's a teeny tiny one. But the elastic is too big. So I picked that up. Then I picked up this, and it's a wool ruler. And this is to do your hems or anything that you want to fold, or it's a guide with it, and you can iron with it. It won't iron into your pants. So this is, so here it has 1/4, half, 3/4, as you can see. So you put your material over. If you want 1/4, half, or 3/4, that's how you're gonna bend it, and you can iron it. You put the material like that, and then you iron it. You go like that. I believe this is your pants, and it's coming underneath, and then you iron like that. And it came with 2 of them, so that's kind of nice. It's 2 different ones actually. Is it? Yep. This one is 1 inch, 1.5, and 2, 3, 4, 5. So this goes like that if you want it to. This is 1/4, half, 3/4, 1, and then 2. And then this is 1 of these inches. 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2. I don't know if this is inches. No, these are centimeters. This is inches. So this is 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. This is cm is centimeters, and this is inches. So it comes with both, which is nice. Then I picked up this ruler to help you round your corners, because it has different rounds. So it's a multi-size curved corner cutter. So this is straight, round, a little bit more rounded, and then like that. This one is like real round, like a circle, it looks like. So, and it gives you the instructions. So you bind it up in the border right there. So you make believe this is my material, so you would go like that, and then you just mark it, and then you could cut it or sew it. And then over here again, you have to do it like that, and that's the square. And then over here again, you would put it like that, make sure all corners, and then you just mark it. So you get the gist of it. So that's that ruler. And then I picked this up. You put it in your bobbins to hold your bobbins from not getting unloosened. And I think you could use it for the skinny threads also. I think you could use it. So it's different colors. It's green, white, blue, yellow, pink. And then last, I did buy the Quilted Bear iron, the mini silicone iron rest, so that I could put my little iron on it. And I'm going to show you the iron because I never showed you. is the quilted bear mini iron. It's like that. You could take it with you on vacation. Comes with its case. And you just open it up. And there goes your little iron. And it does take water. And it came with a little cup, the manual, and then the little, I did test it out. It does have water in it. And it's like that, flat. So you could take this on vacation. So I think that's what I'll be doing and using it for sewing. Also. So that is it. So let me look around to make sure that's it. Yep, that's it for my project share and my Amazon haul. Thank you and have a good day and take care. Bye-bye.